Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to transfer data from iPhone to pen drive. So I'm provide full guide. This method will work any iPhone device in the same process. At first take a pen drive. This is my pen drive and it's a converter USB to type C. Okay, at first connect. Okay, and open your file apps and you just connect your pen drive. Just put in so look here, now successfully connect my USB drive. So I'm just transfer USB to iPhone or iPhone to USB in the same process. Like I'm open my USB, like I'm open my iPhone, select any photo or video or any file. Okay, select folder or file, like I'm select and folder, that's my file. Press on to share option, click on to copy. Okay, now it's copy. Go back, open my USB drive and I'm create new folder. Okay, just open this, long press, then showing it to paste option. Okay, now successfully transfer this. So that's it.